Vanilla is one of the most well-liked aromas, and today I'm going to be sharing with you an essential oil that smells just like vanilla without the high cost of vanilla essential oil. The oil we're talking about today is Amyris. This essential oil has that vanilla aroma plus some great benefits that we'll be talking about in this video. To start, I'm going to give you 5 uses of Amyris Essential Oil. The first is that it has a very calming aroma. If you're feeling stressed, you can use this essential oil in the diffuser to help you feel more calm. Another way to use Amyris Essential Oil is as a cleaner. It has some great natural cleaning benefits, and in the blog post linked in the description box, we have a great recipe for hand sanitizer. You can also use Amyris Essential Oil to support your immune system, dilute it and apply it to your pulse points or diffuse it to help get the benefits of a strong immune system. Not only can Amyris Essential Oil calm your emotions, it can also help you actually feel more relaxed. So if you are feeling tense, dilute this oil and then use it as a massage to help you feel more relaxed. Amyris is a popular aroma to use in incense to help support focus. You can use it in your diffuser to help you get more work done. So let's talk about how we know Amyris Essential Oil works. So we can look at how it's been used throughout history and also through its chemical profile. Amyris Essential Oil is largely made up of valerianol, beta-udesmol, and allimol. By looking at these naturally occurring chemicals, we're able to determine the uses and benefits of Amyris Essential Oil. Let's make sure you know how to use Amyris Essential Oil safely. Amyris Essential Oil is really unlikely to be irritating when you put it on the skin. Just make sure you dilute it first and check out our Dilution Chart to make diluting Amyris Essential Oil super easy. Amyris Essential Oil is unlikely to irritate cats, but always be mindful of your pet's behavior when you have this on the diffuser or when you are using it topically. Dogs are also unlikely to be irritated by Amyris Essential Oil, but again, just be mindful of their behavior whenever you're diffusing it or using it topically on yourself. This oil is generally considered safe to use with kids aged 2 and up. And remember that essential oils don't replace the advice or treatment given by your doctor. Remember to hit subscribe to learn how to use essential oils with clarity and confidence. Thanks for watching.